Killian, what kind of trucks do you ride?
Indies.
Are you an Indy kid through and through?
Yes.
Indy's the truck for you, huh? Let me block that sun. Right on, man. Team Indy. Built to grind. Indy forged titanium 169 in gold. I'm back. I'm gonna try him again. It's been a year of hating Indy. Indy at speed has been loose, wobbly, but anyway, here we go. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, that felt pretty nice. I'm kind of stoked on this. To be back on Indy is exciting for me. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm noticing not having a groove in those trucks. Can I deal? Can I deal? Let's see. I will let you know. They're pretty much brand new. So everybody knows a new truck is going to be a little sloppy. Outside. They feel pretty nice. Let me get one more run. I'm gonna see if I can't hit the coping down there. Go for the rocky safety. All right. The Indies. I'm back. They felt good. I think I need to break them in, but they felt good. I'll be starting to ride Indies. I still like my Aces. I still like my Thunders. Honestly, they're all good. My review, if you ride tight and you ride fast in both, you might like the turning geometry better on an Ace, a Thunder. It might be nicer because it certainly was for me. But now that Avenue Trucks has gotten me to start riding loose and appreciating the feel of a loose ride, because they're very stable even though they turn so well. It took me out of my box. It got me started over. So, why not? Everyone can't be wrong when they say that riding with loose trucks is better in the end. We'll see. I've certainly thought I was right all along, and then I end up going the way of the herd. So, although I walk to the beat of my own drummer, I'm not too stubborn to ever see the other side. And that's what I'll say politically too. If you're set in your ways, you know what? You got to step back and look at all the evidence from even ground. Then you can clearly be the judge. All right? So giving it a couple weeks, I feel like regressing and starting back from zero. In the end, is going to make me a more solid skater, I think. So, right on. But all right. That's my critique for Indy right now. I'm going to keep doing it. So, let's see what the boy wonder can get into. right now. Yes. You ready to skate? Say, I'm built to grind.
I'm built to grind.
And say, hit the like button.
Hit the like button.
Bam.